Hello, boys and girls at Jefferson Elementary, at Memorial Park Elementary, and Eston. I hope you are doing really well. This is Mr. McAndrew with another session of Subtraction. Very excited to be here with you. I hope you're excited as well. Today we are going to be looking at some penguins and ladybugs and butterflies, all sorts of cool things. So let's dive in. Remember that we've been learning about addition and subtraction. Addition is when you have objects that come together to make a new total. And subtraction, we've been talking about subtraction as separating, or in our examples, taking from the total. So let's look here. Our total number of penguins on the ice is 4. So we have 4 penguins on the ice right now. And some of these penguins are going to jump into the water to go look for fish. Yes, those are fish down there, I know. I'm not the best drawer, but I'm doing my best. So, one penguin's going to dive in to go do some fishing. Get that fish, penguin. And another penguin's going to jump in to get some fish. So they're swimming around getting some fish. So, it looks like 2 penguins left the group. So we're going to take away 2 penguins. And how many penguins are left? Well, let's count. 1, 2 penguins. So we have 4. We started with 4 penguins. And now we only have 2 penguins. So 4 minus 2 is the same as 2. All right, let's do another one. This time we have some butterflies in a tree. How many butterflies are in the tree? You can pause the video at any point and you can count. How many butterflies? If you said, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you are correct. If you did not say 6, but you did your best and you're learning right now, then that's great because your brain is growing big time. So let's say we know that we have 6 butterflies. And let's say that 4 butterflies decide to fly away. So 1 butterfly flies away, 2 butterflies fly away, 3 butterflies, 4 butterflies fly away. How many butterflies are left in the tree? That's right, 2. So if we took away 4 butterflies, so minus or subtract 4 butterflies, here are the 4 that flew away, there are still 1, 2 in the tree. 6 take away 4 is the same as 2. All right, super fun. Okay, for this one, I'm going to show you how I do it. So I get my pen here. I'm going to make it black, and I'm going to draw a log. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just going to draw what looks to be something of a log. It's a black log. I don't have brown, so, you know, you do what we can do, right? Do what we can do. Don't get upset. All right, so here's our log. And let's say there's some green frogs sitting on the log. Let's say, how many frogs should we do? 1, 2, 3 frogs jumped on the log. And then, let's say some more jumped on the log. So right now we're adding, right? We're adding by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Plus 1 more is 6. Plus 1 more is 7. We can add 1 more to get 8. So we have 8 frogs on the log. Is that true? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 frogs. All right, so what if, so let's do our 8 frogs. I'm going to click on the green. I'm going to click on my pen. I'm going to write down we have 8 frogs. Okay, so what if some of these frogs on a log, right? That rhymes. What if some of these frogs decided to leave the log and jump off the log? So let's say 3 of them jump off the log. and I don't know where they're going. Maybe they're going to go find some flies to eat because they're hungry. Like I was eating my crackers the other day, right? Okay, so let's say this frog jumps off. Woo! He's gone. 1 frog. 2 frogs. 3 frogs just left. So we subtracted 3 frogs. I'm going to put our equal sign. This equal sign means how many are left. 8. If you have 8 and you take away 3, how many frogs are left on the log? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 frogs left on the log. That looks like an S. Sorry about that. Let's see. 5 frogs left on the log. Okay. Super fun. Let's do one more. Over here I have a flower with some red ladybugs. So let's see, how many red ladybugs do we have? Can you pause the video and count? Or do it right now? Let's see. If you said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you are correct. If you did not get 6, but you tried your best and you are learning right now, your brain is growing super big, the biggest. So we have 6 red ladybugs, and let's say that some of them decide to jump off the flower down to the ground. So let's do that. Let's say how many of these should we choose? How about we do 4 this time? So 1 ladybug comes down, 2 ladybugs come down. By the way, if we take away 4, how many do you think will be left? Think about that. Let's see how you do. So we've taken away 2. Let's take away 3. Now we're going to be taking away 4. So let's take away one more. 4. That ladybug looks like it's going to come get me. Oh my goodness. All right, so we got 4 ladybugs that jumped off. So what we did was we took away 4 ladybugs. We subtracted, right? We subtracted 4. Here's our word. We're doing subtraction, right? And how many are left? If you thought there were going to be 2 left, you are correct. Because look, there's 1, 2. If you weren't sure, that's okay, because we are learning and your brain is growing as long as you are paying attention and doing your best. Awesome job, boys and girls. So in my next video, I'm going to show you, you can do this. All you need is a piece of paper and a pencil, and you can do subtraction drawings on your own. Super easy, super fun, and as always, math is awesome, right? Okay, so have a wonderful day. It's great to see you. Do subtraction at home, even if it's with crackers or some pennies or some bananas, whatever you have. Okay, you can do this with your parents if you want, and we'll talk to you soon. All right, remember, be safe and be kind, especially to your siblings if you have any brothers and sisters, and your parents. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.